Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Just the other day I released a video where I talked about doing the inspection for the Forever Warranty extended warranty company. Okay, so today I think there was some confusion, or there was just maybe people don't understand how some of these things work. But today we're going to talk about extended warranties. Now the Forever Warranty is just what N1, N-W-A-N, that's the name of the company that writes the extended warranty company. That's just what they call their warranty. There are probably dozens of companies all over America that write extended warranties for RVs, and they all have their own name for their warranty. Some are better, some are worse. And just in case you don't know what an extended warranty is or how it works, it's something that you will typically purchase from your dealer. If you buy a new RV, the dealer will typically have a 1-year true bumper-to-bumper warranty on that RV through that dealership. Okay. Now I work with those companies a lot. Either the customer will call or the dealer will call and say, hey, we've got a customer in your area, and he's got some warranty work. He's a long ways from us. He's within his 1 year. Can you help us out? And I say, certainly. But the customer will pay me when the work is completed and he's happy, and then he can get reimbursed from you. Okay? And that's the only way I will do those warranties for a dealership. Now, dealers will probably almost always try to sell you an extended warranty, whether you're buying a new or used. And I have even heard of unscrupulous dealers just kind of slipping it in without telling anybody. They can be rather expensive, the extended warranties. They can be several $1,000s. Now, what I failed to mention was if you buy a new RV, usually get that 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty through the dealer. Then the manufacturer's warranty will kick in after that, and you'll have usually 1 year, sometimes 2. Sometimes some manufacturers run a special promotion. They'll give you a 2-year warranty, but usually it's 1 year. And then after that, so if you buy a new RV, after the 2-year period, that's when the extended warranty will kick in. If you buy a used RV, some dealers may give you a 30, 60, 90-day warranty through them. And then after that, then the extended warranty will kick in. So that's how that works. Probably purchase it, after you buy an RV. Just go straight to an extended warranty company and buy an extended warranty. They have been trying to contact you about your extended warranty, but you won't answer the phone. But whether you get it from a dealer when you're buying an RV, new or used, or whether you purchase one yourself, they kind of all act the same to me. And I'm coming from RV tech and business owner side of things. This is what I see. You may have a totally different experience, but all I can really talk about is my experiences. So quickly go over some pros and cons of owning an extended or buying an extended warranty for your RV. All right, pros. If you have a major component, say a refrigerator or a air conditioner that goes bad, they will typically replace those with minimal cost to you. Okay, and that's really just about the only time, in my opinion, that extended warranty is worth what you pay for it. Because honestly, if inside your warranty period, if you have a refrigerator and an air conditioner go bad, which is not uncommon nowadays, you'll have paid for the warranty. Probably, and some extra in your pocket. But cons, lots of cons as far as I'm concerned. The extended warranty companies are expensive. The extended warranties are expensive. And I know when the dealer sells you that thing, your salesman is going to tell you that it's going to pay everything that ever happens to your RV. It's going to pay for it 100%. Well, that is 100% not true. So don't believe that. What happens, and I'll tell my customers straight up when they call, that, hey, we got this, and this going on. We have an extended warranty, and we were told it's going to pay for everything. We got the platinum plan, or the bronze plan, or the gold plan, or whatever plan, and we were told it will pay for everything. I said, well, tell you right now that it won't pay for everything. And whatever the extended warranty does not pay for, you're going to be responsible for. Just understand that up front. And they go, no, that's no problem because it's going to pay for everything. Okay. Just depends on how your policy is written, because I am a mobile service. Some will pay for part of a trip charge, maybe all of a trip charge. I very seldom will ever do is, if I have to go diagnose, order parts, and then come back at a later date to do the repairs, I don't know that any of them's ever paid for 2 trip charges. Most of them won't pay for the whole trip charge. They'll pay $50 or $100 or whatever. And sometimes that covers the trip charge, sometimes it doesn't. It just depends on how far away they are. And and also, it is not a bumper to bumper warranty. The only bumper to bumper that you get typically is if you buy a new RV and you're inside your 1-year period with your dealer. The dealer typically, not all, I'm sure this is probably going away too, but typically they will give you a 1-year bumper to bumper. Anything goes wrong with the RV, they'll attempt to fix it. Okay. But now the extended warranty, there is just, like I said, they like to see a component fail. Your converter, power converter, just fail. A furnace just fail, a part fail. Okay, something that we can test and prove to them that it's failed. A refrigerator, whether it's a 12-volt refrigerator that just quits cooling, they're basically non-serviceable. An RV refrigerator, a absorption refrigerator, if the cooling unit springs a leak, they'll replace the fridge. Air conditioner, same thing. They quit working. If we can prove that it's Freon's leaked out of it, or the compressor's locked up, they'll replace it. And like I said, typically they will pay for almost everything, but there's always something they won't pay for. A lot of them like not to pay for shipping. Well, you order an air conditioner or a refrigerator, that's going to come truck freight, and the shipping on that thing could be, I just heard that one of the major companies, Dometic, has changed their shipping prices again. And I'm hearing that, a fridge may cost you, they were like $150, and so it's gone up in shipping alone. And almost no extended warranty company will pay for the shipping. If there are any shop supplies involved, say you're doing something and you use a lot of rags or a lot of aerosol cans of chemicals, whatever, there's a note, we won't pay for shop supplies. Okay. Some won't pay the state sales tax. Well, somebody's got to pay that, so that passes on to the customer. And like I say, your salesman will tell you when you buy the extended warranty that's bumper to bumper. But what it doesn't cover typically is any water damage, whether it's rain damage, by a leaky seal on the roof or a leaky window, whatever, they won't pay for that. If you have a water line leak inside your camper and causes water damage, they're not going to pay for that. Almost all the electrical, you know, outside of like the power converter, they're not going to pay for that. You know, if you got a short in your camper somewhere and receptacles don't work, or some of your 12 volt stuff doesn't work, they're not going to pay for that. Cosmetic stuff, you know, if you have you know, the vinyl peeling off of a cabinet or some trim or a countertop, they're not going to pay for that. Okay. Trying to think of some other examples. There's way more things they won't pay than they will pay for. I had a customer just last year that had he had a motorhome, and he had like 3 things on his list, and I think he paid $6,500 for the extended warranty. One of the main things was it had side view cameras, one on each side of the motorhome. Neither one of those would work, and you could see one of them was full of water. And so I ordered 2 cameras. Sure enough, it fixed it. Called the extended warranty company, and they was like, nope, we don't pay for water intrusion. The guy was livid because they denied his whole claim. And they denied it all. And you know, it was 2 trips, parts, some just adjusting, had to adjust the awning. They're not gonna pay for that, ever. They're never gonna pay for that. Adjusting anything, doors, awnings, they're not gonna pay for it. Yeah, they denied his whole claim. He was livid. Because typically what I will do when I get to the point where I'm calling the extended warranty company, it's how you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to get on site, figure out what's wrong, what's gonna cost to fix it, get your part numbers, get all your prices together, then you call them for pre-authorization. If I've got the stuff to fix it, I will go ahead and fix it, then I will call them. And I've never had them gripe about that. That way I know exactly what it costs. So when it comes to a point where I'm ready to call the extended warranty company to give them my figures, I will typically put my phone on speaker, and the customer will be there, and he will hear that I try and get everything I can out of the extended warranty company, and he'll know what they're denying, because they say, nope, we won't pay for that, we won't pay for that, we won't pay. And they're usually in the background going like, what do you mean you're not going to pay for that? And a lot of times they'll jump on the phone and start in, and you know, and on the flip side, sometimes you call an extended warranty company, and I think it just depends on who you get a hold of that day, if they're having a good day or a bad day. Sometimes they'll just pay for everything. I mean, it blows my mind. You know, I've had them cover stuff that I knew was not going to be covered, and they're going, yep, we'll pay full price for that. Yep, we'll pay full price for that. Pay the trip charge, no problem. We'll pay the sales tax. All the customer owes you is his $50 or $100 deductible. There's almost always a $50 or $100 deductible. I've seen very few extended warranty companies with a 0 deductible. There are some out there, but I haven't seen very many of them. If there is something that I have missed, or something I've just got wrong, or you just want to know something about something about, but just leave me a comment down below and I will try to answer it. And if need be, we'll do another video. Because yeah, I mean, a lot of people don't understand extended warranties. I mean, I'm the kind of guy, you know, that when I buy a tool at Harbor Freight or Lowe's, they always ask, do you want the warranty? No, I'm not buying a warranty. I never buy extra warranty. It's just, I think it's ridiculous, because if the product's any good, it should last past the normal warranty period, and you don't need an extended warranty. So that's just my opinion. You know, everybody's got one of them.